Hello students, welcome to Sarav's classes. In this video, I will be solving the MSQ questions of Iit Mstat 2015 paper for you. For more videos, you can keep checking our channels and stay tuned for more Iit Jam solutions in our next videos. Let's start with question number 6 of section B. In question number 6, we have said that x1 to xn are random variable of a sample n that follows normal distribution with parameters theta and 1 population, where minus infinity less than theta less than infinity is unknown. So, which of the following statistics are sufficient for theta? So, let's check this. Xi belongs to normal distribution with parameters 0, theta and 1 for each I belonging to 1 to n. Now, f of theta is x is equals to product of 1 by root over 2 pi e to the power minus half xi minus theta whole square is equals to 1 by 2 pi to the power n by 2 e to the power minus half summation of xi minus theta whole square. This gives us 2 pi whole to the power minus n by 2 exponential of half summation of xi minus x bar plus x bar minus theta whole square, and this gives us let me add a page 2 pi to the power minus n by 2 exponential of minus half multiplied by summation of xi minus x bar square plus n into x bar minus theta whole square, that equals to 2 pi whole to the power minus n by 2 exponential of minus half summation of xi minus x bar minus exponential of minus n by 2 x bar minus theta whole square. This equals to h of x multiplied by g of dx, where hx is equals to 2 pi to the power minus n by 2 exponential of minus half summation of xi minus x bar square, and this is independent of theta. Now g naught tx is equals to exponential of minus n by 2 x bar minus theta square. So, t of x is equals to x bar is equals to summation of xi by n is sufficient for theta. By factorization theorem. Let me add a page. Summation of xi is sufficient for theta. Now, xi summation of xi is equals to x1 plus x2 x2 plus x3 summation of xi for I is equals to 4 to n, and x1 x2 x3 summation of xi I is equals to 4 to n all are sufficient for theta. So A, B, C, D all are correct. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope this helped you solving your queries. For more videos, you can keep checking our channels. You are given more of the solutions of IIT JAM papers there. So stay tuned and keep checking. Thank you.